Give me him. Yeah, get him, get him, yeah, get him, yeah, get him, yeah, come on.
Thor's like this big black blob of it. You can't even see that he's there. It's just some paranormal object like flying around.
Yeah, get him, and I'm just like in the background. Yeah, get him, yeah, get him. Yeah. We got $10 on the brown one. The dark brown one.
Come on, guys. Come here. Boom, boom. Chasing them. No, it's just one big block. Block.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. In here. You can't see in here.
This was a biology homework.
I never seem to be alive. It's been a while since we talked last, and I'm trying hard not to talk fast. But then I'm finally thinking I may have.
I'm recording that. What?
How about that, this is a cool pillow, it's shiny.
Oh, she wants to go for a walk. Oh, how cute is that? Give me this. How cute.